Hey everyone, so here is how you can assign things in IXL. There's a couple ways to do it. You can always go to skills and then try to find specific skills that way. But what I like to do is go to my planner or the assigned IXLs. So let's say I am assigning them this one. I'll click it, make sure I'm logged in through Clever. And if you look over here, there is a star right here. And if you just hover your mouse over it, this will pop up. Don't click on it or it's going to assign it to all of your students. And so then I will click, you can click Ashley Cloud, that's my students, or your name, or you can click all students, whichever. And then you can go down here and you find their specific name and you just click it. And once you do that, once they go to IXL, they will actually have a suggestion box. Example of a student who I have assigned a few things to. Right up here in this top corner, you will see the starred and you see 7 like suggestions. You can do a diagnostic test with your kids, but otherwise here are all of their suggested things. So then all they have to do is log into IXL and go find all of those. So yeah, you have to take the extra time to go in and star those every week, but it also takes the headache out of them just clicking the link, not being logged in, and then there's no proof that they did anything. It is to go over here to learning, go to skill plans, click on OK standards, and then right here you have math, language arts, science, social studies, and then Spanish. You have your grade levels here, and these are all Oklahoma aligned. Okay. So if you go right here, it'll say, did you know? And then you'll click view skill plans. So this one would be 7th grade numbers and operations. So this also lists all of the skills that they have available under each standard for Oklahoma. And so you can just hover over your mouse here and then do the same thing and assign it to each individual one. So pretty easy, I feel like. I really like to use this, but you can view by grades. So if you go by grades, you'll see this. You can click OK standards, and again, here is everything. Click your view skill plans. You'll have to change, what grade and standard. So if I wanted to go 7th grade language arts, I'm going to go here and click view skill plans, and then it's going to show you all of those skills. So this is just for the specific grades though. So if there are other ones that you need that are on other grade levels, then you'll have to look under the other grade levels.